All right, next is the menus section. Now, menus is how you can customize, of course, the different menus of your website. The main menu, a side menu, a sub menu. You can create and add menus in different spots. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new menu here. I'll just call this, maybe I'll call it, I'm going to do a sidebar menu. So I'll say sidebar menu. And I'll go ahead and create this menu. And then once I've created the menu, I can add pages into my menu. So I can automatically add pages, or I can do different pages from locations, or I can manually add menu items over in this area. So for example, I'm going to select that sample page. I'm going to say add to menu. So you can see it just added that to my menu. Maybe I'm going to add my own link. I'll say somewebsite.com. I'm going to add this custom link to my menu, so I'll add that link over there. And then maybe I'll add this category link over to my menu as well. So I've added these 3 links to my menu: sample page, website, uncategorized. And now I can go ahead and save this menu. And once this menu is saved, I can then place this menu inside of my sidebar in my widget section. So you can see here that I'm going to go to the widgets, and there's a widget called custom menus. So I'm going to open up the custom menus, and I have 3 different areas that I can add custom menus. So I'm going to add this one to, let's see, I'm going to add it to my primary sidebar. So I'm going to add that widget. I can also drag and drop like I showed you before, or you can click this and just click this button like this. So I added this custom menu, and I'll just call it cool websites or cool links. And I'm going to select the menu. Of course, I only have one menu because I've only set up one menu. And I'll go ahead and hit save there. Now I'll visit my front end of the website again. And you can see now I have this cool links area, and there's those 3 menu items that I added: the sample page, that link to a website, and that category of uncategorized. So just like that, you can add different menus. I can add top menus across here, footer menus, side menus, and customize all those different settings. Let's head back here into the menu section. So that's pretty much a quick overview of the menus. Now let's head into the header category. This section allows me to customize my website's header. So if I don't want a text color, and instead maybe I want an image, I can upload an image and set that as a background image of my header. So pretty easy, self-explanatory. You can customize the header. Let's move to background. Same thing here. This is the background of my website. I can upload either a solid color by selecting a color, or I can upload an image and it would place an image behind my website. So just a few simple theme customizations are available inside of here. Lastly, here we have the editor. Now, you don't want to edit anything inside of the editor unless you're comfortable with writing HTML, CSS, and PHP code. Those are the 3 languages that WordPress runs on. Inside of the editor, it allows you to edit all of the different files that are set up for your theme. And there's a lot of PHP files, and unless you're an advanced PHP programmer, you don't want to poke around inside of here because chances are you will break your entire website. So be very careful. This file I'm looking at right here, it happens to be the style sheet. So if I know some CSS and I need to edit some of the style sheet for my theme, you can make any changes to the style sheet directly inside of here and just save those, and they'll be updated directly on your website. So this is just basically the editor to edit the different files of your website. All right, we're going to move over to plugins. And I'll save this for its own video, as there's a few things in here that are important.